Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot CRM on your business site, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website. Sign up for a free HubSpot account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, locate the CRM section from your dashboard. Click on the Get Started button to access the CRM setup. Follow the prompts to configure your account settings. After completing the setup, go to the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. Search for the HubSpot tracking code option. Once located, click on it to generate your unique tracking code. Copy the tracking code displayed on your screen. Now, head to your business website's backend or content management system. Find the area where you can edit your site's header. This is often located in your site's theme or template settings. Paste the HubSpot tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes and publish the updated site. Now, return to your HubSpot account. Navigate back to the CRM dashboard. Here, find the section labeled Contacts or Leads. Test the installation by filling out a form on your website. Once submitted, check if the contact appears in your HubSpot dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed HubSpot CRM on your business site. Continue to explore HubSpot's features to fully utilize your new CRM system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.